When you do, finally have that aha moment where you really understand crystallography or, diffraction, all these different complicated topics, you really have a very deep understanding that helps it click, and you can apply that going into work in the future. My name is Maddox Dockins. I graduated from the University of North Texas in 2021 with a degree in material science and engineering. So right now I'm actually a graduate student in the Department of Material Science and Engineering. I will be finishing up in the next few months with my thesis focused in material science and engineering, obviously with an emphasis in tribology and coating processing. I've always had a huge interest in chemistry and physics, engineering design, and the major was really just a perfect marriage of kind of all those things that I've always loved to do. I'm actually a National Merit Scholar. UNT has a very nice scholarship package that's very attractive for National Merit Scholars, and so it was super easy to make my decision whenever I found out the type of programs that UNT has, as well as some scholarship assistance. I think one of the most memorable experiences with my material science program really was senior design, where you're tasked with a complex engineering problem and you really have to start from the ground up, developing a solution to this problem on a limited budget. And so you really get tossed into the fire with project management and managing budgets, learning how to solve different engineering problems, and really leading that yourself with a group of other team members that are also kind of learning at the same time. I think my biggest piece of advice for a prospective student in material science and engineering would really be to get involved both with organizations and also with research, because both of those will help you learn both the hard skills of doing microscopy and diffraction and all those different special things that you need to learn how to do, but also a lot of the soft skills like networking, talking with others, learning how to work in a team, and that's really some of the stuff that'll set you apart whenever you go into the professional world as well. My current research is actually in the field of tribology, which is basically a fancy word for friction and wear, and we work currently with an Army-sponsored project that helps investigate solutions to some issues they've had with fuel pumps for different vehicular applications. My current favorite thing about my position as a graduate research assistant is really being able to research new areas and find new solutions to problems that we may never have had exist before, but I'm able to kind of put my own impact, my own fingerprint on these different areas that we need to have problems solved in. What I'm planning on doing after I graduate is to find a job in the engineering field, hopefully doing some material processing and some research and design in the future.